For this video, I am going to teach you how to create a website with Odoo. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to the official website at odoo.com. And then once you are in here, you should be able to see this interface on your screen. So then you just need to click onto this try it for free button situated on the center or the upper right part of your screen. Or if you do already have an account, you can just simply sign in with your credentials. But since I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process, let's start from scratch. So click on to the start now it's free button or try it for free button. This is what you should be able to see. So you have different options right here. So you have website, sales, operations, manufacturing, marketing, human resources, up to the customizations. So for now, let us select website right here. It should be the first choice for you and hit continue. So now you just need to fill in all of your details or all of your information. And now after filling all of your information, you'll need to go through the 4-step process of setting up your website. So hit let's do it right here. So I'm just going to select I want a website for my digital marketing business, for example. So that's that, with the main objective to get leads, for example. And then what you need to do next is to choose the color palette for your website. So make sure that the color that you're going to use will reflect your business. And if you have an account, or if you have a logo rather, you can upload it on the section right here, and then Odoo will generate a palette based on your logo. So I'm going to do that. So now after uploading your logo, you'll be able to see a palette or color palette on the bottom part of it. So you can just simply select it or select from the options that they have for you. But I'm going to stick with mine. So hit let's go. So now this is where you need or where you can add different sections, pages, and features to your website. So I wanted to add about a section, your services page, privacy policy, and a live chat. So after that, after selecting all of your or all of the pages that you want to add to your website, click build my website, and then you'll have different options. So you can choose your favorite theme based on your options right here. So you have this one, you have the second one right here, and the third option. So you can just basically choose whatever suits your preference. So I'm going with this third option right here. It says click to select, and then just let it load for a few seconds. Now what you can do next is to edit your website. So click onto this edit button situated on the upper right corner of your screen for you to be able to edit every detail or every part of your website. So now let us start with your homepage. So the feature or the settings or the editing page for Odoo is really straightforward. So you have here different blocks. So now if you want to add some blocks on your or a block on your website, you just need to simply drag and drop it on a specific part that you want it on your website. So for example, right here, I have selected like a masonry, or you can add image gallery, images wall, and so on. You can also add different features right here. So you can have showcase, comparisons, theme, so on and so forth. And also for the dynamic content, you can go for map, search, pop-up, Facebook, Instagram page. And for the inner content, you can add different buttons, you can add images, you can even add ratings and block quote. So you can just basically search or explore with the options that you have here, and make sure that the features and the blocks that you're going to add on your website will be helpful for your website, and make sure not to make your website very cluttered, because that will affect the effectivity of your website and how your customers or viewers will view your business. So now if you want, for example, to edit your header, what you need to do is to simply click on your header right here, and you can change the content of it. You can also change the different or the layout of it. You can change the background right here on the right side or on the right hand part of your screen. So you can go for the quality, you can add filters if you want to, and for the inline text, you can change the text style on the section right here. You can make it bold, and so on and so forth. Now that's it. And for example, if you want to change the theme of your website, you can do that by clicking on with the theme option situated on the upper right part of your screen just below the save button right here. So click onto the theme right here, and if you want to switch it, click onto the switched theme, and if you want to add language, click onto this option right here. And again, just explore with the options or with the editing tools that Odoo have for you. So you can even go for the status color of your website right here. So now if you're dissatisfied with what you have and if you made all your editing, so just hit the save button right here, and then the edits will be saved on your website. So let us try to go on the different page of your website by just simply clicking onto the services. For example, I'm going to edit the services page of my website. So click onto the services, and then basically just do the same process. Click onto these edit buttons situated on the upper corner of your screen if you want to edit the elements and the contents of it. So after you are, again, if you are satisfied now with your website, you can just hit publish onto this section right here, but it is already published since it is toggled on. So that's basically it. That is how you can create your website with Odoo. So it is pretty simple and the process is straightforward. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.